Hello and welcome back. In this session, we create account PHP so user can change their email and the username, and we will also rewrite our URL for our account so we can access our account PHP by typing settings/account like this. Let's create the account PHP. So go to your code editor, create new file in your editor folder, and this will be account.php. Open and close PHP tag. First we need to include the int file so we can access the databases, /int.php, and now to create user ID variable, and this will be equal to _session user ID. Now to get the user data, so create user variable, and this will be equal to get from user data method. Now to pass the user ID, and now to check if user logged in, so if condition here, get from logged in method, and triple equal to false, which means user not logged in, then it will redirect to index page. So header location, and we need to add the base URL because we will rewrite URL for account PHP. So double dot and base_URL, and here will be index.php, and now to rewrite the URL, so go to your htaccess file, and below here we need to rewrite new rule, so rewrite rule, and it will be similar to our profile PHP, and here will be our caret sign. So when request start with settings/account, then we redirect to account page, so it will be with or without slash and the line here, and redirect to account PHP. Now close the htaccess file, go to your account PHP, and below here we will display the account page. So go to your projects file folder, open up account.html file with your code editor, copy HTML code and paste below here, and now to add base URL, and we need to display user information, so scroll up to find user information. Here will be the user profile link, so open and close PHP tag, echo base_URL dot user variable username for the profile link, copy the PHP code. Here will be profile image, change this to profile image, and here will be profile cover, so this will be profile cover, and here will display the screen name. So again open and close PHP tag, echo user variable screen name, scroll to right, and here it will display the username. So open and close PHP tag again, echo user variable username. Now scroll up to find the username in the profile link. Here will be profile link, so paste the PHP code, scroll to right, and here will be username. So open and close PHP tag, echo username, and here will be profile image, so change this to profile image, scroll up, and we need to add base URL to our links, so open close PHP tag, echo base_URL, also here echo base_URL, copy the PHP code for the base URL, scroll up to find the CSS file, which is here, paste here, and let's also add base URL for our home link, which will be here, so slash, so here will be home.php and notification, And now let's test this out. So go to your browser and access the profile account page by typing settings/account. Now it redirects us to our account page. So here's our account page and here's our user information, and here's our form to change the username and the email. And first we need to display the username inside our input and the email. So go to your account PHP and scroll up to find the form. Scroll down to find the form, which is here. And here's our input for the username, and inside the value we need to open and close PHP tag, echo user variable username, copy PHP tag to save time, scroll down, and here will be your email. So email, and now to get if condition to get this form values, so scroll up to your PHP blog, and below here we need to get if condition and type is set $post and type submit, which is our submit button for the form, for this form. So when it's set, we need to get the username. So create username variable equal to get from you check input method, and you need to pass $_post variable, and here will be username, which is our input name. Copy and paste for email, change this to email, and also change the variable here email. And now to check if user submit empty form, so below here create if condition again exclamation mark empty function, and username will be here, and here will be or sign, and again exclamation mark empty function email variable. So when you submit empty username or email, we need to display the error, but first we need to create the error array so we can display the errors for username and email. So below the email variable create error variable, and this will be equal to array, because error will be our array to display the error. So in our else block we will display the error, so error, and here will be our fields error to type fields here, and this will be equal to our error message. So let's say all fields are required. Inside here we indicate if condition again to check the username which user submit is not equal to the username which user already have, and we will check username from our database to check the username inside our database, because we don't want to allow users to update the username which already exists in our database. So here will be our user variable username not equal to exclamation mark equal to the username variable which user submit, and get from you, and here will be check username function to check the username from the database. We need to pass the username which user submit, and this will be equal to true, which means it found in our database. Then we will display the error. So inside here it will be our error array, so error equal to, so here will be username for the username error equal to, let's say the username is not available, and now to get else if condition, else if inside here you will create the pragmatic function regular expression match to search the username with the special characters. So type prank underscore match, and this function basically search a string for a pattern, or you can say regular expression. So here will be our regular expression to search the username for our special characters in our username field. Let me make this readable. So here will be slash bracket and caret sign. So when search start with A-Z for the alphabets. So capital A, capital Z for our alphabets. 0-9 to search the numbers, and backslash, and here will be exclamation mark to return the value which not present in this match, and it will return the special characters, spaces and hyphens, etc, etc. So here will be our the username variable to perform a regular expression match. So when it found the special character inside our username, we need to display the error. So error variable username equal to, and here will be our error. So let's say only characters and numbers allowed. And again we need to create else if condition. And here we need to validate our email which user submit. So type exclamation mark filter underscore var function, and here will be our email variable and the filter name. So filter underscore validate underscore email to validate the email. So when you submit invalid email, we need to set the error. So error, and this will be email error. So email will be here, and this will be equal to, let's say, invalid email format, and we need to create else if condition again. To check the currently email is not equal to the email user submit, because we don't want to allow users to update the email which already exists. So here will be user variable again, and email not equal to the email which user submit, and get from you check email method to check the email from the database. So email will be here, and this will be triple equal to true, which means it found the email in our database. So true, and let's set the error. So here will be error variable again, email equal to, and here will be email. So let's say email already in use, and else we need to update the email and the username. So else get from you update method, and you to update the users table. Here will be users ID who logged in, and the array to update the column, and first we need to update the username column, and this will be username variable at comma, and email will be email variable. And then we will refresh the page. So below here will be our header function, location colon, and we to add the base URL. So concatenate base underscore URL constant, and here will be settings slash account, and let's test this out. So go to your account page, refresh the info, and let's update the username. So let's say Isasgino1, and click on the Save Changes button. Now update the username, and let's remove the username from the username field and the email, and let's submit the form. And now to display the errors below here, so go to your account PHP and scroll down to find the error comment, which will be somewhere here. Here will be email error, open close PHP tag, if condition is set, error, email, then you display the error. So echo error, email. Now copy the PHP code to display the errors inside our fields. Scroll down, here will be fields error, change this to fields, and also here fields. Scroll up to find the username error field. Here will be your username error, so paste here PHP code, change this to username, and also here username. And now let's test this out. So go to your account page, refresh the page, and let's remove the username from the field and submit the button. And it updated the username, but it shouldn't. So go to your account page, scroll up to the if log. Inside our empty function, here should be and, not or. And let's test this out. Refresh the page, and we have empty field, so let's submit the button. Now display the error, so let's update the username, and let's remove the email so we can display the email error. Perfect. And now to add the base URL to these links, so go to your account page, scroll down to find the account links, which will be somewhere here inside our option -div. Here we will add the base URL, so open close PHP tag, echo base underscore URL constant, copy the PHP code and paste also here. Now refresh the page, hover on the links, and we added extra slash. Remove the slash from here and also here. Refresh, hover on the links. Perfect. So we successfully created account PHP to allow you to change username and email. In the next lecture we create password PHP page so user can change their password. So see you in the next lecture.